Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will learn how to pronounce the word stringy. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The chicken I had for dinner was tough and stringy, making it difficult to chew. Stringy describes something that is fibrous or tough in texture, often referring to meats or vegetables that have long, thin strands that are hard to chew or break apart. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.